Hey everyone, welcome to the Let Me Tell You channel. Today we are going to explore a topic that always arouses our curiosity: space. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of fascinating phenomena and surprising curiosities. From the origin of the universe to the most distant planets, there is always something new to learn and discover. In this video, I selected 10 facts about space that will expand your mind and show you how fascinating the universe can be. So, make yourself comfortable and let's begin our journey of discovery across the universe. The speed of light is one of the most fascinating concepts in physics. It is a universal constant and represents the maximum speed that information can travel in the universe. To get an idea, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, while light from the closest star to our solar system, Alpha Centauri, takes about 4 years to get here. Saturn's rings are one of the most striking features of this gaseous planet. They were discovered in 1610 by Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei, but have only been studied in more detail in recent decades, thanks to NASA's Voyager and Cassini missions. The rings are mostly composed of ice and rocky particles, with some rings being denser and thicker than others. Black holes are extremely interesting and mysterious objects in the universe. They arise when a very massive star collapses under its own weight, forming a point of infinite density known as a singularity. From there, the gravitational force becomes so intense that not even light can escape its pull. Scientists still have a lot to learn about black holes, but they are fundamental objects for understanding gravity and the physics of the universe. The Milky Way is our galaxy, and it is just one of billions of other galaxies in the universe. It has a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, which means that light takes about 100,000 years to cover its entire length. Our galaxy is just one of many in the universe, and it's fascinating to think of how many other civilizations and worlds might be out there. Solar storms are quite common events in our solar system, and they can have influential effects on Earth. When solar particles come into contact with the Earth's atmosphere, they can ionize it, causing interference in communication systems, power grids, and satellites. Fortunately, NASA and other space agencies closely monitor the sun and its activities to help predict and prevent these events. Pulsars are very interesting objects in the universe and were first discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell. They are rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit regular pulses of electromagnetic radiation. Some pulsars are so precise in their pulsations that they are used as extremely accurate atomic clocks. Canis Major star is one of the largest known stars in the universe, and it's very hard to imagine how big it really is. It has a diameter about 1,500 times that of the Sun, and if it were placed in the Sun's place, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. Furthermore, the Canis Major star is much more massive than the Sun, which means that it produces an incredible amount of energy. This star is also known to be very unstable and could explode into a supernova at any moment. Gravity is one of the most fundamental forces in the universe, and it is responsible for keeping planets, stars, and galaxies in orbit. Gravity can also affect time, as was first predicted by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity. In regions of strong gravity, such as near black holes, time can appear to pass more slowly than in other regions of the universe. Nebulae are giant clouds of gas and dust in the universe, and are known to be places where new stars are forming. Nebulae are very beautiful and colorful, thanks to the unique light from young stars and the dust that surrounds them. The Eagle Nebula is one of the best-known nebulae and is famous for containing the famous pillars of creation, which are columns of gas and dust that appear to be being sculpted by stellar winds. The expansion of the universe is one of the most fascinating concepts in cosmology. Ever since Edwin Hubble discovered in 1929 that galaxies were moving away from each other, scientists have been trying to understand why this is transient. The universe is currently believed to be expanding at an accelerated rate, driven by a mysterious form of dark energy. The expansion of the universe is a very important topic in modern cosmology and holds fundamental keys to understanding the origin and future of the universe. And so, we come to the end of our video about 10 interesting facts about space. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned new things about the universe. These are just a small sample of the vast knowledge we have about space and what we still have to discover. So, keep watching the Let Me Tell You channel for more interesting content like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time.